Now, we have one more aspect that I want everybody to realize when it comes down to succeeding on Redbubble. And I want you to realize that utilizing social media, and essentially that's core tenet number 4, is not always required. And I'll explain what I mean by that. Is that in order for you to get a sale, you don't necessarily need social media, right? Somebody can perform a simple search on Redbubble. Somebody can perform a simple search on Google. But what happens is that a lot of people with Redbubble, they tend to find that it takes a little bit long sometimes for them to get a sale, especially with a platform like Redbubble, is it doesn't happen right away, and it could take a month, a week, because if you think about it, the main driver is the search, whether it be Redbubble search right here, or whether it be Google search, as we've previously demonstrated, that these are the two main drivers in terms of sales. And the problem with that is that many people believe that they can't succeed without gaining some sort of attention, right? Or controlling this level of attention and getting it faster, right? And so what happens is people might create 20, 30, 40, 50 designs their first month on Redbubble, and they might sit back and say, well, where's all the sales? And they're expecting sales their first month, but they're really not getting them because it's an organic search platform, right? It takes time to get attention. It takes time to get traffic. But other people, what they do, like me, is we utilize social media to boost it up. And the reason why I'm making this lesson in the course rather, is to explain that social media is not a requirement. The last core tenet is not a requirement to get sales, but it is just an artificial booster. That's really what it is. And what happens is when you get a specific sale within Redbubble through social media, is your product will start ranking higher within the search results. So if I search for example, tiger, okay, and my product is, let's say, this product. Let's just go ahead and pick this one because I like this design here. Let's say this is my product. If I get a bunch of sales, my product is going to end up here, or here, or here, because what I'm doing is I'm increasing artificially the amount of sales I get from outside platforms. And Redbubble actually rewards people who promote the products outside of Redbubble, okay?